Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, for the third time lucky, I am going to introduce you all to my full collection project pan. I've already tried filming this twice and realised my spreadsheet of all of my products was needed to be updated, and it was a mess. So I had to just fix it. So now I'm ready to actually begin this. So this is a full collection project pan. I was inspired by Becky Loves Kanga because I've been really enjoying watching her full collection project pan. I was like, I'll do one too. So I'm gonna. So I have got a list of all of my makeup products and all of my body sprays, bar 2 body sprays and 3 makeup items, because they're expensive and special and I don't want to pay them. I like to use them as and when I feel like it, as a little treat, and I don't want to pan them. You know, I don't want to force myself to use them up. So, pretty much full collection project pan bar 5 items. So on my list, everything is split into individual pans. So all of my palettes are broken down, which is why I have numbers 1 to 379 on my random number generator. Which actually, I don't think is awful, because I know some people, when they would break down the palettes, would then have thousands. I think my collection is still more than a person needs, yes, but not too ridiculous. So, yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, I'm going to generate 5 random numbers, and whatever those correlate to, I'm going to pull out. Unless they're already in a project pan, then I won't. I will redraw. The reason I have stuff on my list that's in project pans is just because in case I don't finish it in that project, it's then ready on the list and I don't have to add it and forget to add it. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm going to pick 5 products. Don't know if I'm going to do updates monthly or just as and when I finish things. We'll have to see. Maybe let me know in the comments what you'd rather. But when I finish something, I'm going to roll something new in, and when I have 10 empties, although I'm only working on 5 products at a time, but once I finish 10 products, I will redraw a whole new set of 5 products and start again. So this is going to be round 1. Yeah, I just thought I'd do it that way because I know there's some items that if I draw them, they're going to end up being in this for 12 and a half years, and I'm just going to get mad. So let's just begin and draw our first number, which is number 29, near the top. This is my Makeup Gallery Feeling Blusher in Soft Blush. Oh, this is pretty. It's my Poundland blush, and it's really pretty. And that's definitely something I can mix in with the current blush in my 6 by Santa that is not very seasonal. Number 7. My Makeup Revolution Matte Base Foundation in the shade 6.5. Not mad at that, because I wanted to get back into using that to see if I like it, so that's fun. 376. Oh, that's another blusher. I don't really want to work on 2 blushes, so I'm going to draw that again. 199. I don't mind working on a few different lip products with the different colours, or a few different eyeshadows, but 2 blushes, and they are quite similar to coloured blushes. I don't want to be doing that to myself. So, sorry. This is from my Morphe Plum Pleasures eyeshadow in the shade Era. Ooh, I can't think what that shade is. But I've been using that palette. I've been loving that palette. So that's 3. Or is it 4? 287. That's 3. Yeah, this is my 4th product. 287, which is my Love Hearts Lip Balm in Raspberry. Fun, because I'm almost out of my current lip balm that I'm working on for the Project Pan Roulette collab. And finally, 282. Oh, that is the lip balm that's in my Project Pan Roulette collab, so pick again. 70. Oh, it's a glitter. My Too True eyeshadow dazzler in number 6. This is from what I remember, a cranberry glitter, and it's quite pretty. So let me just check that these are 5 products. But I think it is. So yeah, that is my 5 products. I'm going to go get those, and then I'll be back to show them to you all. So I've just gathered everything up, and I'll be honest, I'm a little bit scared. Because some of these are brand new. But this is why I'm only doing 5 at a time, and yeah. The first is my Makeup Revolution Matte Base Powder in S6.5. This I think I've used once since I bought it, but I remember on my last one of these I got through it in about like 6 weeks, so not too scared about that one. The Makeup Gallery Feeling Blusher in the shade Soft Blush. This is the Poundland blush, but this is really pretty. It is just like a very soft, I don't know if you can see that, like natural blusher shade, which I'm excited to franken some of this with my California from 6 by Santa, because I think it will just tone that down a bit. But I don't know how much product is in here, and I've used it like a very few amount of times, so a bit scared. The Too True Eyeshadow Dazzler, the one I'm thinking of doesn't have a shade number. This one is number 6, and it's like perfect for Christmas coming up. It's like literally just silver glitter, if you can see that. Yeah, it's like just a straight up silver glitter. I'll mark everything once I've finished filming, but there's not a huge amount in. There's like a third of this left, but I mean, it's glitter. A little goes a long way. So yeah, a bit scared, but whatever. Maybe I'll mix that into things. My Morphe Plum Pleasures palette, we got the shade Era, which is okay. That's not too scary, but it's this shade here, so it's just like a brown shadow that I've never used. That's what it looks like. Pretty basic brown. Did not swatch that very well. These shadows are pretty deep, so yeah, this is probably going to take forever to use up, but whatever. Should annoy if that palette's so big. Okay, so please all excuse the outfit change. Basically, I was editing this video the other day and I realised that I've lost the final kind of minute or so of the last clip because it file corrupted and I lost showing you all the lip products that I picked and signing off. So I thought, rather than refilming the whole video and having to pick new products and stuff, I would just refilm this last bit and hope that you all don't mind that my outfit has changed. So this is the lip balm. This is my Love Hearts Raspberry Lip Balm. I had marked this in my notebook and I forgot to bring that over, but this was brand new when I started. It's just a basic clear lip balm. It does smell like raspberries, but I have a bit of a cold right now, so I can't smell it. Yeah, so this was brand new. I have now started using it and made some good progress. So yeah, I feel like that is going to be the first thing done. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video, even though there was the outfit change and it took me ages to film this in the first place, so I just feel like this video didn't want to happen, but I hope you all enjoyed it anyway, and that you're also excited for this project pan, because I'm super excited. And I do think I've been thinking about it since I filmed the intro, or first filmed the intro, since the other day when I was filming this, my other outfit. And I think I am going to do monthly updates. I think it would just be a bit easier than doing whenever an empty, because I imagine I'm going to have an empty and then what tends to happen to me is a few days later I have another empty and that would just be annoying. So I'm going to do monthly updates. So yeah, please give this thumbs up video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I'll see you all very soon with another video. Bye everyone.